Hello everyone. In the previous video of the DAX, we learned about what is DAX, what is measures, and what is calculated columns. Now in this video, we learn about the DAX context and filter context and some more about the DAX. So let's start here. In the previous video, we have created the sum of cells in the measures and we drag and drop it in the given bar chart here. Now we'll see some more details here. Yes. Now in the x-axis we'll move category here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the total sum is divided into three categories: technology, furniture, and office supply. Means we are using the same major sum of cells, but we can use it multiple times in the different context here. Now instead of category, suppose we are moving the subcategory. So again, total sum is divided by the subcategory. So instead of subcategory, if we want, we can in the legend we can move the region as well. Let's see. So again here again same sum of cells measure it further divided into the subcategory and region here. Now instead of subcategory, if we give the product name here, let's see what happens. Again sum of cells is divided into the product name here. Here the measure is same but the context will be changed here. Now again we divide into ship mode. Total sum of cells is divided into the four different like mode: standard class, second class, first class, and same day in the descending order. Sorry, decreasing order. This is called the context in Power BI. It serves all generic purpose here. Now we'll learn about the filter context here. Now we'll take the new measures here. First column in the table will take category. Now after that we'll take another one, sum of cells one measures. We can see here categories, sum of cells divided into three categories: furniture, office supply, and technology here. Now we'll see the total number of order received here. Since there is no such field here, we have the order ID only, so we'll count the total number of order. So for that we'll go to the new measures. Dis- distinct count, orders, order ID. So run it. Now we'll move in the another column, order received here. So total number of our distinct order is the 5009 here. Now we'll go for the average. So let's see the average here. Average order some cells here. I will take the order cells here. Now run it. Here we'll take the average. Now we'll take another one, ratio. Ratio is equal to sum of cells 1 slash operator ORD. We'll use this DAX order received. Now run it. Now this is the ratio. Now we'll go for the multiplication. Again click on this new measure. Orders quantity. Yeah. Now run it. This is Now we'll take some more measures like to calculate the value based on certain field. Suppose we want to calculate the sales only for the furniture. So how will we do it? Take the new measures. Now furniture sale is equal to calculate. So we are using the existing measure like sum of sales 1 filter orders orders category is equal to furniture. Let's run it. Operator expression is not supported. Here we are given one extra. So let's remove again, run it. Once again. Yes, it run it. Now, so we can see the only furniture sales value. Like that, we can use the other filter. Like instead of furniture, if we want, we can calculate for office supply. Instead of that furniture, we can also take the technology separately. So this is the some basic lessons on the DAX. So we will see some more videos on the DAX, which will cover in more details.